Hi guys, welcome to our video tutorial on how to change the region on Netflix. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to access different regional libraries on Netflix, allowing you to unlock a world of diverse content right at your fingertips. Now, let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off by discussing why change your Netflix region. First up, we've got the chance to dive into region-exclusive shows and movies. Take The Office, for instance. It's not up for grabs everywhere on Netflix. You'll need to be in spots like the United Kingdom, France, Spain, and more to catch it. Next on the list is getting the scoop on new releases before others. Sometimes, certain regions get the goods first, giving you that early bird advantage. Last but not least, switching regions opens up a whole new world of international content. Whether you're into K-dramas, Bollywood flicks, or European cinema, mixing things up can broaden your viewing horizons worldwide. Some of you may want to know, can we change the country of Netflix account directly? Obviously, the answer is no. On Netflix's official website, they said the country on your account can't be changed unless you move to a new one. To change the country for your account, you need to cancel your account, wait until the end of your billing period and restart your account. So, using a VPN is the most efficient way to change your IP address, making Netflix think you're in another country. So finally, we will show you a step-by-step guide to changing Netflix region with VPN. We highly recommend UFO VPN for you to unblock restrictions on Netflix. UFO VPN features a strict no-logs policy and provides more than 2,000 servers in 50 countries. Whether you use cellular data or Wi-Fi, UFO VPN will give you a faster network speed on gaming, streaming, and browsing. Click the link in the description to visit UFO VPN website and download the app on your phone. Finally, choose a server in UFO VPN to enjoy your high-speed journey on the web. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.